Hello garden enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're embarking on a vibrant journey into the heart of garden decor ideas. Be it a verdant sanctuary for seasoned gardeners or a budding haven for the beginners, we've got you covered. We'll be exploring a plethora of ideas that will transform your outdoor space into a tranquil oasis. From container gardens to vertical gardens, pathway lighting to garden statues, we'll delve into it all. So, let's get started. First up, container gardens. A fantastic way to add a pop of color to any corner of your garden. Container gardens are a gardener's best friend due to their versatility and easy maintenance. Imagine a miniature rosebush nestled in a rustic ceramic pot, or a vibrant geranium in a sleek metallic planter. Go for a single plant per container for a minimalist appeal, or mix different plant varieties for a more eclectic look. Mix and match different plant varieties and container styles to create your own unique masterpiece. Next, let's go vertical. Vertical gardens are an innovative way to bring greenery into your outdoor spaces, especially when you're dealing with limited ground area. They're not only aesthetically pleasing, but also offer numerous benefits like improved air quality and natural cooling effects. From using simple wall-mounted planters to creating elaborate structures, there's a myriad of ways to build these vertical oases. So, don't let space limitations stifle your creativity. Install a vertical garden structure or use wall-mounted planters to create your very own green paradise. Now let's shed some light on your garden pathways. Pathway lighting, an often overlooked aspect of garden decor, holds tremendous potential. It's not just about aesthetics, it's also about functionality. Imagine strolling through your garden on a cool, breezy evening with the path ahead softly illuminated. The options are plentiful, from low-lying stake lights to hanging lanterns, each casting a unique glow. Solar-powered lights or lanterns not only add a charming touch to your garden but also provide safety and ambience during the evening. Who says your garden can't have a little personality? Garden statues and ornaments offer a fantastic way to sprinkle your unique style throughout your outdoor oasis. They add character, charm, and a touch of whimsy, transforming an ordinary garden into a captivating storybook setting. From elegant sculptures that catch the eye, to charming bird baths that welcome feathered friends, or whimsical gazing balls that reflect the beauty around them, there's a world of choices out there. Choose from sculptures, bird baths, or even whimsical gazing balls to make a statement. From hanging baskets to outdoor furniture, decorative planters to garden art, the possibilities are endless when it comes to outdoor gardening decor. Today, we've explored just a handful of ideas to spruce up your garden. But remember, the beauty of gardening is in its versatility. You can mix and match these ideas based on your personal style and the unique characteristics of your outdoor space. Container gardens, vertical gardens, pathway lighting, and garden statues and ornaments. All these can work together to create a garden that's not just visually appealing, but also a reflection of your personality. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your creativity bloom. If you've enjoyed this video and found our tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Share this video with your fellow garden enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening inspiration and ideas. Until next time, happy gardening.